Hi, I'm Aishwarya, pursuing my BE in Computer Science. I was one of the participants who attended the AWS workshop in Featurepreneur. I got to know about the workshop through my friend. I had no idea about AWS before this session. I was really looking forward to it as it's gonna be a new experience for me. To be honest, I had doubts whether I could learn a new stuff in this short period. Will I learn it properly with great understanding? To my surprise, the session was very interactive and fun. It wasn't like any other workshop where we would just sit and listen to the lecturer. They made us to experiment the things that were taught to us. The topics we learned included basics of AWS, EC2 instance deployment, Flask and Python, MongoDB JSONs and basic Jinja templates, HTML and bootstraps, GitHub and a few GitHub commands along with Linux terminal commands. Raja sir and his team guided us throughout the session. We did a mini project of a simple web page called Songzy that retrieves certain information about a song when entered by the user. The front end was developed using HTML and Bootstrap. The data were stored using MongoDB, a backend framework. We deployed our project through AWS EC2 feature. As a result of this project, we got a quick glimpse of all the topics with the help of our mentors. We also had some fun games during sessions which boosted our knowledge. At the end of the session, I got a clear knowledge of all the topics that were taught to us. I was really happy to get to know about a unique topic that could decorate my resume. A big thanks to Raja sir and his team for such an amazing workshop. Thank you.